for you. Look, Aman. Look.
Aman, you want the package? Aman, why are you sitting down? Did you understand what's inside the package?
Something like Cheetos.
Aman, you're sniffing the package? How did you understand? We did not tell you you are doing high five. Okay, high five.
Yes.
You're doing sit pretty. What do you want? Okay, we will open it. We said no. Just wait a little. You are getting impatient. You want us to open it right now? Aman, look, what is it? What is it? See? You know what this is? Package for you. Don't want to know what's inside it? See? You're sniffing. You're sniffing it and trying to find out. You're telling us to open it.
You want us to open it, Aman?
Okay, we will open it now. So, since we reached 200 subscribers, we decided it's time for Aman to get new treats. So, as you can remember, Aman enjoyed the calcium milk bone we had given him earlier. So, we bought many more new calcium milk bones because he loves calcium milk bone. Aman, you know what we brought? Yes, good. Okay, let's open the package. Aman, are you excited? Why are you doing shake? Stay. We are opening the package. Aman is not looking at the treat anymore. He's excited to see what is inside the package. I have made him stay with this treat, but he is not looking at the treat anymore. Okay, Aman, stay. Yes, good boy. Aman, look. How many calcium milk bones? You remember these? You were scared that I would take it away from you.
He wants to take it.
You are trying to open it by yourself. You won't even give us the chance to open it. You are sniffing it.
He wants to eat the. You want the plastic also?
You want to tear the plastic and open it yourself. You're biting. You're biting the pack. This is how you open it. You will not be able to open it like this. Let us open it.
He's taking the plastic. No, Aman,
No,
stop.
Aman, no. Leave it. Aman, leave it. Yes, good boy. Aman, look. That is the pack.
Sit, Aman.
You
Sit.
want the plastic or what?
Sit. Okay, sit.
Why do you
Aman.
like the plastic so much? You want the box, then take the box only. We will not give you the calcium milk bone. So Aman is very excited, as you can see. Somehow he understood that it contains calcium milk bone. We have not yet opened the box and he understood it. How did you understand? See, the box is also in the shape of a bone. Okay, Aman, now
Aman, sit.
We'll open it and give it. You're biting the box, then eat the box only. No, Aman, sit. Sit.
Okay, sit.
Yes, good
Yes.
boy. Stay. We'll give you only one, okay? Wait, don't jump. No, don't come. I'm
Okay,
opening
sit.
it and you're jumping
Sit.
up.
Aman, sit.
Aman, sit.
Aman, sit.
If you sit, then only I will give you. Sit.
Okay, sit.
Aman, sit. Sit. Yes, good boy. Stay. Stay, Aman. Okay, Aman, stay. Okay, stay. Aman, stay. Keep it. Stay. 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 For treat you have to do stay. Yes, good boy. See, earlier I had to give it to you. Now you take it by yourself. You have experience in this matter now. You remember it?
Is it tasty, Aman?
The taste is familiar, right? Last time you liked it so much. Aman, sit. Sit and eat. Aman, sit. You will not take it. You are so excited that you are not being able to sit. You are standing and eating. You are not moving from your position also. You are standing right there and eating it. You already broke it. You are eating so fast. You like it so much. It smells so good. Yummy milk bone, right? See a little bit left there. You're looking at the box. There are so many. You will eat all of them or what? See, you finished, now you're going to the box. He's telling, give me more. We can't give you more now. Only one right now. You're sniffing the ground now. You're looking for more. You can't settle for one. You're licking the box now. The box is not a bone, it's only in the shape of a bone. Aman, you know what? You have 200 subscribers on YouTube. We bought a new gift for you. Aman, look, your new gift. Are you excited to know what is inside it? Okay, we'll open it. We want to eat this treat. Okay, eat it. Let's see what is inside it. Aman, you are already sniffing the package. You're trying to find out. Aman knows there are more treats in my hand. You're doing shake. Okay, good.
Look,
Hey,
Aman, your new gift.
treats. New treats for you, Aman. You want to know what it is? You love treats, right? See, new treats. He has gone mad. He's sniffing like crazy right now. He's pushing the packet. Do you want to open it on your own? You will not be able to open it. Give it to us. Do you think you can open it with your teeth? Okay, you want to eat the packet or what? You are taking the packet only. Okay, give it. We will open it.
Aman, give it.
We will give it to you only. We will not take it away. Okay, you want these treats? Wait, take these treats first. Yes. Sit. 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 We will open it.
He's not leaving the packet.
No, leave it. Okay, let's see if you like these treats.
Sit.
And we will do a little bit of training also. Aman, sit. Yes, good boy. Aman, shake.
Yes.
Yes, good boy. Aman, sit pretty.
Yes.
Yes, good boy. This is a new trick we are working on. We have not yet made a video on this. So did you like the treat, Aman? You want one more? Okay, wait. Don't try to take. I'm giving you, wait. You're already doing shake. High five also. Wait, Aman. No, not shake. Okay, Aman. Aman, stay. 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 Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Okay, Aman. Once again, sit pretty.
Yes, good boy.
Aman loves to do sit pretty. And Aman also loves the treats.
He wants to eat more. No more.
Yes, good boy. You like the new treats? He is asking for more. Not more now. You are doing speak. No, Aman, quiet. Yes, good boy. We are also teaching him speak and quiet. Aman, quiet. Yes, good boy. We will give you more later, okay? He is becoming impatient. Not now. You are looking for more treats. You are jumping. No, Aman.
No.
Aman, not. No more knife. Aman, leave it.
Sit.
We'll give it later. Yes, goodbye.
Yes,
Stay.
good boy.
So that's all for today's video. Thank you for 200 subscribers. Amand is also saying thank you. He's not actually saying thank you. He wants to see. Amand, say thank you to the viewers. No. We gave you treats.
No more, Amar.
We gave you 2 whole treats. You want more right now? No more speak. Quiet. What are you doing? You're scratching.
Oh my god.
You're jumping to get the treats.
No, Amar. Sit.
No, Aman. Say bye. Aman.